Hello, my dear student. Today I will tell you how to speak vegetables in English. Welcome to back Change A English Academy. First one, beans. Bonchi, beans. Next, cabbage. Goa, cabbage. Next, drumstick. Murunga, drumstick. Next, bitter gourd. Haravila, bitter gourd. Next, radish. Rabu, radish. Next, potato. Artapal, potato. Next, pumpkin. Vataka, pumpkin. Next, carrot. Carrot ale, carrot. Next, ginger. Inguru, ginger. Next, eggplant. Wambatu, eggplant. Next, beet. Beetroot, beet. Next, cucumber. Pipinya, cucumber. Next, leek. Leeks, leek. Next, cauliflower. Malgoa, cauliflower. Next, winged bean. Dambala, winged bean. Next, ridge gourd. Vatakalu, ridge gourd. Next, okra. Bandaka, okra. Next, tomato. Takali, tomato. Next, spinach. Niviti, spinach. Next, salad. Salad, salad. Next, onion. Lunu, onion. Last one, garlic. Sudulunu, garlic. Okay, now let's see a useful sentences. Mother went to market to buy vegetables. අම්මා පොළට ගියා එළවලු මිලදී ගන්න. Mother went to the market to buy vegetables. What did you bring? මොනවද ගෙනාවේ? What did you bring? Beet, eggplant, potato, beans, onion, garlic, etc. Beetroot, wambatu, arthapal, bonchi, lunu, sudulunu ආදියයි. Beet, eggplant, potato, beans, onion, garlic, etc. See you in a new video. Okay children, goodbye.